In this video I am going to show you how to download and install Windows 10 1909s in the VirtualBox. So I have already installed the VirtualBox in my Ubuntu, and you can also install this VirtualBox in the Windows operating systems if you are installing in there. So the previously I have shown you how to install the VirtualBox, and here for the downloading Windows 10 on the Google you need to type Windows 10 ISO image. The first link of the website of Microsoft.com is a website where you can download original and the genuine OS Windows 10. So on the begin you need to select here the page edition. The Windows 10 is November 19 showing. Then you need to confirm. After that you need to select the language for the installation. I have selected the English one. So after that you need to select the bit 32-bit or 64-bit for your motherboard supported. So I have clicked on 64-bit. On the screen you can see this is 109, which is ISO image which I have already downloaded. So let's see the VirtualBox website. This one is there, which is the latest one is there. For Windows people you can click, and for Linux you can click and download install is there. So which I have already done now. So let's begin. The first I am opening the VirtualBox here. So the requirements is nothing but little bit you need to have for this installing installations. All the links and download you can find below to my description box. Okay, click on new here. So just type here Windows 10. Okay, and then you need to select the 32-bit or 64-bit, which one. Okay, after that this is the location where it's going to store. So apart from that 10 I'm going to write here or 1909. So it's the version. Click on next thing, and we need to give the RAM here, and we need to assign the RAM at the green point only. So we need not to go at beyond these light green and then green. So we need to stay inside the green line only. So I have given the 8 GB RAM. So just clicking on next, only next. Then this is a location where my virtual machine storage, if you want to change you can change. And this is the size for my installation hard disk size from the 2 TB. Inside the 2 TB I can give the any size, like I am giving 200 GB, which is enough for this one. Clicking on create now. Then we need to go to the settings here, and there we need to just click on unchecking the floppy here, and then we need to click on the storage. There empty is there on there. On that side we need to click on the left right side. There is a choose a disk is there. Click on that, and here I have a Windows 10 1909 English, which is the size is there 5.4 GB is there. Click on open. So once I click open, so it will be click on networks, then select a bridge adapter here, and then click OK. Then saving the settings. After that we're gonna to have start that one. So it may take some, so just click start it now here. Oh sorry, the wrong one which I have selected. Just powering off again. I have to start here. Say after that the pop-up will come now. So from there we have to select. Oh that's going wrong one. Well, 6 again after here the yes hard disk was selected Ubuntu. So just click here and select Windows ISO. Okay, so this one it's a correct one I think. So let's have a look. Okay, no, this one. So we need to assign SMS, then click on OK, then save. Then we need to click on start. Now it will be put to our Windows 10 here. So as you can see it started booting here. And next install now. Before installing Windows 10 or any other operating system, please take a backup of your data. That's very important. You need to take a backup of your data before you start the installation, otherwise it will be loss of your data will happen. So if you have a key you can insert. I don't have any key, so I'm just keeping that one. Here we need to select the edition here, home, production. I'm selecting Windows 10 production here. For your purpose you can select any production and click on next. So date of modifieds also is there, so just accept the terms and next, then click on install. If you are upgrading to these Windows, you can go ahead. So I'm just selecting this one drive only I want to create. I don't want to create another drive, so just click on next here. So it may takes here little bit time to complete the installation, that means 15 minutes it will take. Till then I will show you about this Windows 10 installation completed or not. 59% and it was restarted. So now it will be asked some few steps, like few instructions, like about the creating users, password giving, and then it will be asked about securities, all those things. It will be asked like normal we do installation about the Windows 10, the same it will be asked here. So let's see what we're gonna have look. Ready, so it will take some time. Like the country, I'm going to have select my country, that is India, where it is. Here scroll next. Let's make a big screen. Now the keyboard language, select skipped. Set up for the personal account. For organization, like if you are working in an office company, for that purpose you need to use that one. So just give a name here, like offline account go to. So does not want to use the online account. Showing there, you can use that one also, whatever is there. And then you need to, offline again, you need to go to cloud network, clicking on next. Then the password for this, I'm not giving the password, directly pressing enter. You can also do that one, or you can also enter the password and then accept the license, digital license. And then we need to gonna have the, just a moment. So this is a privacy settings, you can also disable these ones. Just select the full, accept it, and then everything's completed. We are on the final stage of these Windows. We don't need to turn off the PC. It's completed, a few minutes. So let's have a look the new one. So Windows 10 minimize. If you want to make full screen resolution, click in view, then we got the scale to 125. So here I've got the full screen, and when I scroll down, so we can have a look at the start menu. Okay, just type here about, okay, about this PC. Okay, so let's have a look about the church. Here we got, sorry, not this one, about this PC about that. Again is 1909. This is OS build number Windows 10. Okay, so if you have any problem you can comment below to my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Planet Earth channel.